Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tung Sahur from Italian Brainrot. So let's get started. To draw this cute meme, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big circle, and I'm just going to try to make it a little bit taller, so kind of like an oval. Because we need to draw in some eyelids. So I'm just going to come right here and draw this like ovalish circle shape. Then from there, I'm going to go right across, say about right here, and draw another one. There, so now that I have these two ovals in, I'm going to come to the top. The top is going to be a little bit wider, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve going across. And then at the bottom, it's going to be thinner, I guess is the word. And draw another one, and then same thing over here. So thicker eyelid at the top and thinner at the bottom. There. And now that I have that, I'm going to come into the center area and draw a circle. So I'm just going to make it nice and big and fit whatever I can in here. And then right about here, I'll put in a highlight of a circle and shade everything else in. So same thing on this side. There. Okay, so now that we have the eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of the eye. So come straight up, and about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve right over the eye for the brow. And then we're going to thicken it up. And I'll just go in here and quickly shade this in. And same thing on the other side, right over the eye. There. And then I'm just going to lightly draw a line coming down from the brow for the bridge of the nose, just a little bit. Okay, so then from there we need to come down and we're going to draw the nose. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start with a curve on both sides, just centering the nose. And then I'm going to wobble and then come down deeper into the center and then go right back up. Then we need to draw the cheek area. So right about here where the nose is, we're going to come in with a curve and bring it down. So same thing here. Nice and wide. So right, it looks so funny, right? Right underneath the eyes. And then we can come about right here, and I'm just going to draw a big smile going across. There, now it looks better. And we're going to thicken it up to create some lips. So then in the center, I'm just going to draw in another curve. There. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and start to draw the body. So I'm going to come really close to these eyes. So let's say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down. About right there. And same thing on the other side, right next to the eyes. And so now I'm about the same level, about in this area right here. This is very important, we need to draw the cheeks. So I'm going to pop out a curve and come back in to where this curve is. So same thing here. Cheeks, and then bring it right back in. Then we can go ahead and finish the top. So we're going to go above the brow, just go straight up. It's easier for my hands. I'm going to draw downwards over here. And about right there, we can go ahead and just round it off. And connect everything with a curve. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can bring this down to create the body. So I'm just going to drag this down. And we're just going to go, maybe taper in a tiny bit. Or you can go straight down. It really doesn't matter. Maybe I'll just a tiny bit come in. And let's say about right here, I'll stop. And round this off and connect. There, so we have the body in. Then let's come down here and draw the legs. So let's find our center, which is about right here. We're going to go to the left and then go to the right, so about right there. And I'm just going to simplify this and draw an angle line down. So maybe about that long. So he has really thin legs. About right there. And then we're going to come out for his feet. Nice big feet. Just kind of widen them out. And connect. And then you can come right here with some details. 2 little lines and then a bigger one for the toe. So same thing on the other side. Right there. Just gets thinner towards the bottom and then flare it out for the feet. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's draw the arms. So right about here, kind of like where the mouth ends right here, I'm just going to draw one arm right here, just a little curve for a shoulder, and then bring it down. And then we're going to thicken it up and bring it in. Bend it a little bit, perhaps. And then right here, we're just going to draw very simplified hands. So we're just going to curve, and then this is going to be much wider. And then you can put in some lines right there for the hands. There. Just trying to simplify as much as possible. So then on the other side, about right here, you're going to pop out the other hand. But this hand's going to be holding the bat. So we're going to come out with a curve. Come down, just like the other side. And then we're going to extend it. And then thicken it up. Right about here. And then in this area is where I'm going to draw the hand. So it's going to be a little bit bigger. But so let's say about right here, I'm just going to add a thumb. So just draw oval right there. And then we're going to come right here and draw 1, 2, and 3. And then this side's going to be 1 and 2 and connect. So we're just drawing this bubbly shape here, and then we're going to come in 2 curves for the fingers. And then we need to draw the bat. So the bat's going to be in here and here. So just continue this. And about right there, I'll just end it so I don't hit the body. And then we're going to go up. So whatever angle you've created, and go wider a little bit. And it's about right here. I'll just go ahead and round it off and bring it in. There. Okay. Finally done. And let's see. Hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of Tung Sahur. Sahur, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, didn't butcher it. I really hope I helped you draw this cute Italian brain rot fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.